The internet just got smaller and faster. Meet the Starlink Mini, Elon Musk's compact satellite dish that promises high-speed internet anywhere on Earth. But is it really the game-changer it claims to be? Or just another overpriced gadget for tech enthusiasts? Today, we're putting the Starlink Mini to the test: speed, portability, power, and price, to see if it's truly worth it. The design, small but serious. At first glance, the Starlink Mini looks like a downsized version of the original rectangular dish. It's lightweight, just around 1.1 kilograms, and small enough to fit into a backpack. The setup is simple. Plug, power, and point it at the sky. Within minutes, you're connected. No cables, no bulky tripod, and no drama. For travelers, van lifers, or field journalists, that's a massive win. Performance, speed meets portability. On paper, Starlink Mini delivers download speeds between 50 to 100 megabits per second, and in most of our real-world tests, it hovered around 80 megabits per second with latency under 30 milliseconds. That's impressive for a device literally talking to space. But remember, this is still satellite internet. Expect occasional drops in dense urban areas or during heavy rain. Power usage, designed for the field. One of the coolest features is power efficiency. The Starlink Mini draws under 20 to 25 watts, low enough to run on a small solar setup or a power bank. That makes it perfect for emergency communications, expeditions, or remote work in places your phone loses all signal. Price and accessibility. Now let's talk money. The Starlink Mini is currently rolling out in select regions, with a price tag around $599 and a monthly plan that can hit $150, depending on your region. Not cheap, but for portable, high-speed global internet, the value proposition is clear. It's not just about connection. It's about freedom to connect anywhere. Pros and cons. Compact and lightweight. Fast and stable internet for satellite. Low power consumption. Ideal for travelers, campers, and remote workers. Cons. Expensive upfront and monthly cost. Still prone to signal drops in certain conditions. Limited availability, for now. Overall, the Starlink Mini is the most practical evolution of satellite internet we've seen so far. It's not perfect, but it's a glimpse of a future where Wi-Fi truly has no boundaries. Final verdict. Starlink Mini isn't just another tech toy. It's a statement that the internet can and should reach everyone everywhere. If you need portable internet that just works, and you don't mind the price tag, this might be your next essential travel companion. But this is just the beginning, because Starlink isn't just one device. There are multiple versions, each with its own pros, cons, and hidden trade-offs. In our next review, we'll dive into the different types and models of Starlink, breaking down their advantages, disadvantages, and which one fits your needs best. Don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button so you don't